This Philips 13-watt soft white fluorescent light bulb brightens laundry rooms, bathrooms, kitchens, and offices. Versatile for multiple applications, this 2700 Kelvin fluorescent bulb is suitable for indoor, commercial, and residential use and may be used in surface-mounted downlight fixtures and recessed cans. Features a 2-pin GX23 base. Low-mercury design creates a smaller environmental footprint. Philips reuses as much glass and packaging material as possible, reducing environmental impact. Lamp life of 10,000 hours. Philips Energy Saver PLS 13-watt compact fluorescent light bulb. Philips Linear Compact Fluorescent Lamps offer designers, specifiers and end users new levels of efficiencies and versatility in sizes, configurations and application possibilities. With so many elegant fixtures available to complement their small size, highlight output and advanced technology, Philips Energy Advantage lamps are fast becoming the preferred choice when maximum efficiency and sleek design solutions are required. Top reviews from the United States. Preformed as expected. It is a direct replacement to the original one that I broke, but was still working well after years of use.